Check out this 2009 Nissan Altima. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes front-wheel drive, connected to a smooth shifting transmission. Reach your destination effortlessly with GPS navigation. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: keyless entry, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, power mirrors, an alarm system. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, low tire pressure warning, independent suspension. Call today to schedule a test drive.